How would you feel if you could have an online business that generates thousands of dollars every month without creating your own products, fulfilling products, technical skills, or any prior marketing or business knowledge? You can leverage affiliate marketing to start making money today. With affiliate marketing, you earn commissions by promoting existing products. You find a product you like, promote it to others, and make a profit for each sale that you create. Some affiliate programs have recurring commissions, which means a single sign-up could make you money every single month. You could be earning passive income for sales generated today without any additional work. This probably sounds too good to be true, but many popular blogs and websites use this very strategy for monetization. Are you convinced yet? We're ready to show you how you can generate thousands of dollars a month by leveraging the power of affiliate marketing and sales funnels. It's a simple process with little to no startup costs. Get started today and learn how others are using this strategy to generate a full-time income.